Hello there, this is Dr. Endu. Today I'm going to talk about a very practical thing which I see in my type 2 diabetic patients, post-meal spikes. Many patients who have very good control of their fasting sugars come to me with post-meal spikes hovering around 250 to 300. Whatever they do, whatever diet they follow, this doesn't seem to come down. And most of the doctors and most of the conferences also say increase the dose, increase the oral doses, or increase the dose of insulin. I think it's the most stupid advice you can give to a type 2 diabetic, because type 2 diabetes is all about insulin resistance. And many people go for low glycemic index food, low GI rice, low GI atta, but nothing seems to work. I found out one thing. When I really inquired and the history into these patients' eating habits, most of the patients with post-meal spikes were finishing their meal in 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. They were not masticating well. They were not chewing their food well before swallowing the food. It's very, very important. Plays an important role in bringing down your post-meal sugar levels. We have a lot of digestive enzymes in our saliva which aid in breaking down the glucose. So, when you sit in front of a meal, it may be breakfast, lunch, or dinner, see to it that every mouthful is chewed mindfully, slowly, enjoy the food. The food should become a gruel in the mouth itself and then swallow it. This dramatically brings down the post-meal sugar levels without any increase in the medications, and also with the same amount of GI food, whatever be the GI the foods may have. Eating slowly, mindfully, chewing your food well is the cornerstone to bring down your post-meal sugar spikes. Another thing which I've noticed is people who eat really fast and really in a hurry do get reactive hypoglycemia. That is, they get low sugars 3 to 4 hours after a meal. Because they eat their meal so fast, there's a lot of insulin secretion from their pancreas, which makes the sugar falls down below a critical level. So for these two things, that is post-meal spikes and reactive hypoglycemia, the solution is eat, chew slowly, and swallow your food. Thank you.